Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. So today I'm going to show you 4 different types of hairstyle and they're very easy to do. You just need 5 to 10 minutes to do this hairstyle. If you have long hair, medium hair or short hair, you can try this hairstyle. And these hairstyles are perfect for any special occasion like wedding, party, Eid, anything. And if you love this kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up and please take a few minutes and subscribe to my channel. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So first I'm combing my hair so there is no knots. It's very essential, right? Now I'm making a small section from the front part of my head and I'm back combing it with a back combing brush. After back combing all the hair, here I'm smoothing out the front part with the same brush and here I'm securing the section with a bobby pin. And now I'm going to make 3 sections of my hair. As you can see, you don't need to measure the section, and now I'm making 3 ponytails. It's very funny looking, right? 3 ponytails, and now I'm going to make braid with these 3 ponytail and it will look something like this. So now I'm going to pull hair from the braid and making my braid more messy, and as you can see it's look more messy and fluffy now. And now I'm starting with the middle braid and I'm just wrapping around the braid like a bun and I'm securing it with a U-shape bobby pin. And now I am taking my right side of braid. This is the right side. Yeah, this is the right side. And here I'm wrapping around the braid and it will look like a bun. Basically, the whole hairstyle will look like a big messy bun. And I'm doing the same thing with my third braid, which is my left side braid. Secure this with a bobby pin. And with the loose section, I'm just wrapping it around all over on my main bun and secure this with bobby pin. And because I have very long hair, it's look much bigger now, but with a medium to short hair it will look more beautiful. You can also decorate your bun with some accessories. Here I'm using a broken old earring and with the help of a U-shaped pin I'm just put this on my bun so it's look cute, you know. You can use fresh flower or artificial flower as well, or you can use any other accessories that you already have. You can do this hairstyle with a traditional wear, I guess, like a shari, kuti, you know, salwar kameez. It will look good with this type of outfits. And the front part looks like this. You can actually see the bun and yeah, it's good. And now I'm going to do my second hairstyle. So I'm combing my hair and here I have done a side parting. From one side where I have more hair, I am making a section like this, as you can see. With a small section by section, I'm going to curl my hair so it should look like this. So when I'm done curling all of my front part, it will look something like this. And now I'm making a middle parting. I'm going to put my tika or tikli and I'm securing this with a bobby pin. And now I am going to grab all my hair at one side. Here I am grabbing all my hair on my right side and with the rest of the hair I'm making a ponytail. Now I am taking all the curly section and I'm twisting them together. Twist as you go. It will look very good because you know the volume you can see in the front part of my hair. Now I am actually pulling my hair a little bit to give it more volume and then I am securing the section with a bobby pin. And now what I'm going to do with my ponytail, I'm going to make a twist bun. It's very easy. Here I'm twisting all the hair and I'm just making a bun. That's it. And now I'm going to take the curly section and I'm actually wrapping them around my twisted bun and secure them with the bobby pin. So it will look like a more messy bun. So yeah, here is my second hairstyle done. You can see it's so elegant, so classy. You can wear this hairstyle with a shari or any traditional dress. It will look very good. Now I'm going to show you the third hairstyle with the same hairstyle. So as you can see, my base, the ponytail and the twisted part. What I'm going to do, I'm going to keep my twisted part aside, and now with my ponytail I'm going to make a simple braid. It's very simple braid, the usual braid we always do. After securing the braid with a hairband, I'm going to pull my hair little by little and I'm I'm going to make my braid more fluffy and more messy. So yeah, it will look something like this. And now I am releasing my curly part, and what I'm going to do, combing my hair with my finger so it will look more curly and more messy. And here I'm twisting the curly part again, and I'm going to secure this with a bobby pin. So now I'm taking the curly section and I'm just literally pin the curly section onto my braid. That's it. This is your hairstyle. This is the third hairstyle. Even though the hairstyle is completely done, but you can decorate your hairstyle with some flowers. Maybe use some fake flowers or real flowers, or you can use this kind of hair accessories, or you can put this kind of hairpins as well. It will give you a more festive vibe. So this is my third hairstyle done, and now I'm going to combing my hair again, and I'm going to show you my fourth hairstyle. So first I'm taking some section from the front part of my head and I'm separating them with a hair punch clip, and now with the rest of the hair I am going to make a ponytail. Now I'm going to put a donut bun on my ponytail, and here I'm wrapping around all my hair and I'm securing this with a hairband. And now the fun part. You don't need any curler or anything to do this hair. I'm just taking small section by section and I'm making this kind of roll, and I'm just going to pin this roll onto my donut bun. I saw this kind of hairstyle on lots of Asian bride actually. It's better if someone do your hair, but you know, every day we don't have anyone to do our hair, right? We have to do our own hair. So I think, you know, why not doing a easier version of that Asian bridal hairstyle? So yeah, basically take section by section, make a small roll and just pin the roll onto your donut bun. And don't afraid to put lots of hairpin because you have to secure your bun, right? So you can use as much as hair clip you want. So after rolling all my hair, it will look something like this. And this hairstyle is very secure, it's not gonna fall off, but make sure you're using lots of hairpin. So from the front part, I'm just back combing my hair, and now I'm taking the section and I'm going to secure this on my bun. And now I'm doing the same thing with the rest of the hair, making a small roll and secure them with bobby pin. And now from the front part, what I'm actually doing here, taking small section by section, then I'm twisting the section and secure them on my bun. I saw Deepika Padukone always do this kind of hair. Her front part always looks like this when she wear any sari or any traditional outfit. And with the rest of the hair, I'm going to do the same thing, roll the hair and use my bobby pin. I don't know how many times I said bobby pin in this video, maybe 1,000 times. Yeah, so it will look something like this, very big bun. If you have a thin hair, you can try this one. It will look like you have lots of hair. You can keep as it is, or if you want to accessorize it, you can wear a tikli or tika like this, or you can decorate your hairstyle with some head jewelry like this. But this is not a head jewelry, this is an old necklace of mine, so I'm using this as a head jewelry. It's giving me more like Arabian Nights vibe. Or what you can do, you can also use your old earring as a hair jewelry. So here was my fourth hairstyle done. So this was my 4 hairstyle video for any special occasions. Please share this video with your friends and family, and you can follow me on all of my social medias, which are Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. All are Shahnaz Shimul. And please comment down below that if you like this video or not, or if you want to see more videos like this. These hairstyles are very easy to do, very simple yet gorgeous. And yeah, if you try one of these hairstyles, please tag me on your photo. I would love to see them. So see you all in my next tutorial. Until then, bye bye.